Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a magical oil at home for premature graying of hair. Very easy to make at home, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. This oil is very good for your skin and hair. This treats wrinkles, stimulates collagen production, reduces scars, heal wounds and treat acne. Premature graying of hair can be caused by genetics, poor nutrition, hormonal fluctuation, pollution, stress or even due to unsuitable hair products. Gray or white hairs are mainly caused due to the low amount of melanin in the hair. This content of melanin can be achieved by this oil naturally. You need not go for any chemical product for this purpose. Now let's check out how to make this natural beneficial hair oil. To a pan, add 1/4 cup of extra virgin coconut oil. This oil moisturizes the hair and scalp, prevents split ends and graying of hair, prevents dandruff and hair fall, repair and soothes your skin, helps in weight loss, good for fungal infections and reduce cholesterol levels in the body. I have taken a bunch of fresh curry leaves. Pull out the leaves from the stem and add them directly to the oil. Curry leaves is again a very healthy ingredient. It helps in weight loss, treats constipation and diarrhea, eliminates bacteria, good for diabetics, good for your eyesight, reduces stress and heal wounds, burns and skin eruption. Now turn on the flame to medium. You can see the oil is getting heated up. The curry leaves are fried and the essence of the curry leaves are getting extracted to the oil. You can massage this oil in your scalp 2 hours prior to your shower. It is always recommended to make this oil fresh and use it immediately to get the full benefit out of it. Now you can see the color of the curry leaves are starting to change. At this stage, off the flame and allow it to cool a little. After an hour, you can strain the oil and use the oil right away. Very useful and a healthy oil recipe. So do try this magical hair oil at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.